Hello teacher and hello everyone. My name is Chanchan Somali. Today I'm reading about the snakes. Snakes are wild animals. They have a long body but no arms and legs. They have one head, two eyes, one tail, one nose, two fangs, scales, and one long tongue. Snakes live everywhere. Snakes can swim, climb the tree, and crawl very fast. Snakes can be small and very big. They like to eat insects and other animals. There are about 3,000 kinds of snakes. Some snakes have poison and some snakes are safe. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, everyone, for listening to me. How many eyes does the snake have? The snake has two eyes. Where do snakes live? The snake is everywhere. How many kinds of snakes? There are 3,000 kinds of snakes.